Welcome back. In this video, we will begin with a new topic: importance of oceans. The water on the earth is divided in 5 different oceans: Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Southern Ocean, and Arctic Ocean. The Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean and the Arctic Ocean is the smallest ocean. Hydrosphere. Hydrosphere means all the water bodies that are there on the earth. Like, for example, ocean, sea, river, tributary, lake, reservoir, and groundwater. You might know what is an ocean, sea, river, lake, and groundwater. What we don't know is what is a reservoir and a tributary. So first, let's see what is a reservoir. It is a large, big, natural or artificial lake used as a source of water supply. Means that we store excessive rainwater in this and we use it when we don't have enough water left, especially during summers. Now this is a tributary. So what is a tributary? A river or stream which is flowing into a larger river, means small rivers which come from some other areas and join a big river. Tributary do not directly go into the sea because it joins some other river. You can see in the picture that there are few streams coming together and making a river. Those small streams are nothing but tributaries. Do this activity. Take some water in the steel plate. Keep it in the direct sunlight. Do not remove the dish until all the water gets evaporated. Do this activity and tell me in the next online class on Thursday, what did you see in the plate after all the water has got evaporated? That's all for today. I hope this helps you clear the concepts. Take care. God bless.